Hello Stormwater designers, welcome back to Clear Creek Solutions instructional videos. Today we're going to be going over how to access help files in WWHM 2012, how to access them for specific menus and specific elements. If you didn't know, we have a free course on how to use WWHM 2012. If you go to the description box, you can find that course and you can access it 100% free to start learning today. But in this video, we're going to go over how to find your help files. Obviously, we have tons of instructional videos on our YouTube channel, which is a great place to look for help. But we do have an attached help file inside of the program that it contains some documentation on how to use the software. So if you need to look something up in a pinch, we have it available there for you. So I just pulled up the default, opened up the software here. And you'll notice if you go to the top toolbar here, you go help and you go to WWHM 2012 help file, that it opens up the entire manual. And you can do quite a bit here. We have the table of contents, we have an index where you can type in a keyword, and you can also search for anything. So if you want to search for basin, for example, it'll pull up all the different topics that involve the basin, and it'll go to that part in the manual there. Index, you can look up everything in alphabetical order or view all the contents. And you can see you can open up different drop-down menus here, and it goes over all the different aspects of the program and everything that is involved. So let me close that out there. But you can see we have basin, pond, tank, we have descriptions of all these different elements. So this is a great place to look in a pinch if you're looking for just basic information, like basic information on the land use basins. As you can see here, there's actually quite a bit of information included on the pond as well. There's quite a bit of information there. And you can find information on things like writing a scenario, the LID toolbox, for example. And there is a variety of how-tos available for some of these more pro elements that are included. So that is available there. But let's say you're in the middle of a project. So let's set up a scenario here just real quick. Let's say this was your scenario and you wanted help with the land use basin, for instance. If you click on the element form and then you click basin help, well, it's going to pull up the help file on a why use, how to use, some documents, and then some samples there on the land use basin. It's all included. If you're in the mitigate scenario, here's the pond, same thing. Make sure the elements form here is selected. Then go to trapezoidal pond help, and you'll get some information there. How to use documents, why use, and that's included for basically everything in the entire model here. This is a lateral basin, same idea, right? When you don't have an element selected, it'll actually give you information on whatever toolbar or space you're in. So for example, I have the schematic selected. We have schematic help here, which will tell you about the schematic window. More information, this will tell you about the toolbar, right? So that is what's included with the software. And I just want to make sure everyone was aware of that. We also have documents regarding some of these elements here, such as the bioretention, the cold text, some of the Filterra elements. All the documentation is included as well, and will open up in a Word or PDF or text format. We also have help files for HSPF, SWMM 5, and a variety of other softwares at times, and how-tos for some of these commercial elements. So that is what's included with the help file and the documentation. Once again, you just need to select the element form, go to either basin help, you can click the big help button there, or go to help WWHM 2012 help file and browse for all the different topics right here included in the software. There's quite a bit of information. So anyways, that's how to use WWHM 2012 help files. Let me know if you have any questions in a comment down below. You can access that free course once again in the description. Otherwise, we'll see you guys next time.